Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a lovely day. Today I'm here with a hair tutorial because I do get quite a few questions on how I do my hair and it is pretty easy. It takes me like 20 minutes normally, sometimes 15 if I'm in like a hurry. So yeah, I thought it was about time I show you how I do it, what tools I use and like the products and everything. So yeah, I really hope you enjoy this video. I'll link everything I use down below. And yeah, let's get on with it. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like at the moment. I'm on like third day hair and I always find it easier to like curl my hair if I've kind of left it for a few days after washing it. It just never seems to hold when I curl it on like freshly washed hair. So yeah, try and do it on like day 2, day 3. I think it always works better. If you are on day 1 hair, then just spray some like dry shampoo in it or texturizing spray or something before you curl it, and it will help to kind of get a little bit of like a grip in your hair. But yeah, so this is what it looks like. I'm going to be using this, which is from the brand T3. I think it's called their single pass curling iron thing. It is a bit on the pricey side. I think it's £120. It is good, but honestly I feel like you can definitely buy ones for like a lot cheaper that do exactly the same. It's just a 1 1/4 inch curling like iron barrel thing. So yeah, I'll link this one down below, but I'll also link some alternatives which are like the same size. So yeah, this is what I use, and you just kind of turn it on like that, and I always have it on like the hottest setting just because then you don't have to kind of hold the hair on it for as long. So yeah, I'm gonna section my hair. Actually, I think I need to get a hair clip. One sec. Also, if you haven't already, spray some like heat protectant stuff on your hair. I've already done mine. I'm not really sure if it does anything, but I use it anyway. This one's from John Frieda. I just use anyone. But yeah, so how I do my hair is I work on one side at a time. I find it really awkward to like section the whole of it and do both sides, so I literally work on this side first and then this side. So I basically just section it with my fingers like really roughly and then kind of clip all this side up, so I just have like a little bit down at the bottom, just waiting for the curling iron to heat up. Also, I get quite a few questions about the colour of my hair. I basically get, sometimes I get a full head of highlights, sometimes I get balayage highlights. It depends. I kind of alternate between the two, but I always like to get a slightly darker toner put on my root, just so when my hair does grow out there's no like harsh lines, and then I'll just get like an ashy toner put on the ends. But yeah, I just thought I'd tell you that while I'm waiting for my curling iron to heat up. I think it's done. Yeah. So the way I do it is I start at the back. I take like a section this big. I have no idea how big this section is in like size wise to tell you. But I then use that and kind of clamp it at the root, and then kind of just like unclamp and kind of drag down as I'm doing it. I feel like it's really hard to tell you, but you should be able to kind of just see, and then I hold it for like 5 seconds or so and then just kind of let it out. And I do my hair all the same way, so just get the next section. Actually, I might just do this one as one big section. Kind of go like that, rotate it as I'm kind of going down, and then I always leave like a little bit at the end just because I feel like it gives it a more kind of like relaxed beachy look instead of like really kind of curly, if that makes sense. Hold this for a few seconds and then let it down, and then that's basically it, and I move on to the next section. Again, I literally do the same thing, clamp it at the root, unclamp and kind of drag it down whilst rotating. Yeah, I think I might fast forward it now because it's going to be really boring to do like everything slow. So yeah, fast forward, you should see it when it's like all done. Okay, so that's one side of my hair done. I leave these little like front bits till later, so I'll show you what I do with them like at the end, but I'm going to move on to this side now. So section the hair, and then I literally just do the same thing kind of starting at the back, clamping it and then curling it away from my face. But yeah, I'm going to fast forward this as well so it's not too boring for you guys. So I will see you once my hair's all done. Okay, so I've curled all of my hair now except for these little front bits. So what I do with these is I grab them, and you want to blow dry them forward. Sorry about that. Okay, so as I was saying, you want to blow dry these bits forward because then when you curl it, it sits a lot nicer on your face and just makes it a lot more flattering. I'm not really sure what's going on with it at the moment. Yeah, so I basically just grab hairdryer and turn it on like a high heat but like low blow setting. That makes no sense. And literally just like hold them and blow dry it forward. Okay, and now we can curl these bits like normal. So I just clamp it and kind of pass it down, but I do this bit quite quickly because I don't want them to be like too curly. Okay, and then the next step, grab like a straightener. I mean, this step's not really necessary, but I like the way it looks. So basically what I do is I go through and just straighten the ends. I feel like it gives it a really nice kind of like beachy, effortless look. So yeah, I literally just go through and find kind of curls and just straighten the ends. And when I do it, I kind of twist the curl before I straighten the end. That way you're not gonna like pull the curl too much to the point where it like drops out. You're kind of maintaining the curl further up in the hair and just kind of straightening the ends. Then let's do it to this side as well.
For a second. Now let me explain. See, I'm not trying to take you down.
And then the last step I do is just go through it with like a texturizing spray. This one is from Charles Worthington. I absolutely love this. I just picked it up like randomly at Boots when I was out because I like needed one. But yeah, I absolutely love it. It's my favourite like texturizing spray I've used. It just gives your hair like a lot of volume and kind of messes it up a bit and also helps to like hold the curls. So I just go through and kind of spray that in. So yeah, this is basically the finished look. I hope you enjoyed seeing how I did it. I'll link like all the products and like tools I used in the description box if you wanted to go and get anything. But yeah, let me know if you have any other videos you want me to do in the comments, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!